This week's Backroad Capers takes us to the top of Calloway Peak. It's a hike I've wanted to do for a long time and have never had the opportunity to do it. There are two ways to access it. You can come off the top of Grandfather Mountain and go across the McRae Peak and then Window Attic Peak to Calloway Peak, or you can start from the Parkway. Both ways, it's at least a 6-hour hike, and every time I've been hiking in the area, I haven't been with somebody who wanted to do or we had the time to do it. So I decided today was the day. You start the hike, it's pretty, it's along the woods. You quickly get up onto a ridge with lots of overlooks and views. The hike is listed as rooty and rocky and technical, and I wouldn't argue with that. Some of the reviews make it seem a lot more dangerous than it is. It's definitely doable by anybody in shape. It's a long hike. As you start to get near the peak of Calloway, before the first ladders, there's a plane crash from 1978. A single-engine Cessna slammed into the mountain, killing the pilot. It's a unique sight to visit. It's a little eerie knowing that the pilot died. I am happy to see there's not a lot of graffiti and trash, that people respect the scene. And then we hit the ladders. I really thought Kodak would be better at ladders. She's not. You can climb a ladder, Todd. Come on. Good, come. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Once I reached the peak, the view was amazing. It was time for lunch and to hike back down before it got dark.